Okay, one sec. Am I filming? Yes, I'm filming. From Bilena Matte. Crap, the dog. Hi guys, this is Rhaze. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be answering your questions. It's been I don't know how many months since I did my last Q&A video. I asked you questions on my Facebook. I have got a lot of questions from that post. Plus, I also mentioned it in one of my vlogs. Yeah, I got a few questions from there as well. I'm gonna start with the questions that I got from one of my vlogs. From Super EON14, sino ang YouTuber crush mo? Local and international po. International YouTuber crush is Kathleen Lights all the way. I really like her videos. I really like the way she talks. I like her accent a lot. And she's just so cute. She's just perfection. Tapos, dito naman sa Philippines, wala. Usually mga babae, diba? Yung mga napapanood natin. And hindi naman ako ganun ka-bonggang ka-crush ng agad-agad sa mga babae. From Cherry Cute, how many siblings? I have 4 siblings, isang babae, 3 lalaki. From Ella Domingo, hi Ate Rhaze, I really love watching your videos. Thank you so much, especially yung mga vlogs mo. Thank you. Ask ko lang ate kung how old are you na? I am 25 years old. From Aubrey Kate Takashima, hi, what do you suggest po sa mga nagsisimula pa lang sa YouTube? I will be doing a separate filming setup, editing, camera, video. I will answer like YouTube related questions on that video para maisa na, diba? From Enchanted Heart 09, nakapunta ka na po ba sa Manila? Ano pong lifestyle mo ngayon? Yes, nakapunta ako ng Manila, I think 2013, early 2013, I forgot na. I was with my sister. Lifestyle ko ngayon, nasa bahay lang ako lagi, doing YouTube and yeah. From Glamming Girl 101, hi Sis Rhazel. Gusto ko pong malaman kung ano-ano ang mga interest mo po except sa makeup. Aside from makeup, is filming videos for you guys, talking in front of camera. From Anna Deng Dopamine, when ang next career move mo para sa ekonomiya? I am planning to pursue my nursing, to be honest with you guys. Pero plano pa lang. Siguro next year, mag-aaral ako sa ibang bansa, ipupursue ko yung nursing ko. And dun na ako magtatrabaho. Pero plano pa lang naman yon. But yeah, that's what I'm thinking right now. From May Rayo, what do you plan on doing as a career since sabi mo hindi ka napabalik abroad? As I mentioned, I'm planning to go back. Pero again, it's still a plan. We'll see what happens next year. From Kathleen Kawaii, bakit ang ganda mo? Ano yung face care mo? Diyos ko Lord, thank you so much. I will do an updated skincare routine soon kasi yung skincare routine ko, nag-iba na siya ng bonggang-bongga. So I will do an updated one very soon. From Melay Boral, kailan ka punta ng Manila? I'm not sure. Actually, wala talaga sa plano ko pumunta ng Manila, sorry. Pero pag pumunta ako, I'm sure malalaman nyo yan, guys. From Tara Eliza, I just wanted to let you know that I've only discovered your channel about 2 weeks ago and I'm already obsessing. So I was wondering, how about you? Sino-sino po mga favorite beauty vloggers nyo? Local beauty vloggers na gusto ko is si Say and tsaka si Ann. Tapos Michelle D din. International, again, Kathleen Lights, Shane Dawson, Trisha Paytas. Yan yung mga lagi ko talagang pinapanood. Kasi I like na they upload regularly, especially si Shane. Meron siyang videos everyday. From Angie Lu, ano po yung top 5 makeup online shops na always kayong bumibili? This one, I need to clear this up. Hindi po ako laging bumibili online, okay? I always mention it naman in my videos na pinadala lang sa akin. I know it can appear like, oh my gosh, she has a lot of money. She spends all this to that and that. Pero hindi. Karamihan sa mga fini-feature ko sa haul ko, mga gifts lang sila. Nakabili na ako sa Beauty MNL. Okay naman yung service nila. Prettyangelshoppe, of course. VACosmetics. FamShop PH. I will leave all those shops in the description box. From Micah Amparo, sino-sinong YouTuber dito sa Pinas at outside the country ang gusto mong ma-meet or pinaka gusto mong ma-meet? Gustong-gusto ko ma-meet si Ann. Gustong-gusto ko makita si Baby Ju, si Jaya, si Papa Kids. Char, pumapapa Kids talaga ako. Sa international YouTuber naman, gustong-gusto ko makita sa Kathleen Lights. Yun. From Jennifer Eugenio, sino kasama mo pupunta sa Thailand? And saan mo pang countries balak mag-tour or trip? Hindi ko muna sasabihin kung sino talaga yung kasama ko. Pero meron akong kasama. I'm pretty sure pinapanood nyo to. Nasa Thailand na ako. I'm having so much fun with this person. And I'm pretty sure ngayon alam niyo na kasi nagpo-post na ako ng mga pictures sa Facebook. So follow me on Facebook and my Instagram. Gusto ko makapunta ng Maldives, Fiji. Gusto ko rin makapunta ng Vietnam. From Maki Prasmo, this is Bisaya guys. If magka-family na ka in the future, mo-continue gahapon ka sa YouTuber or mas mo-focus na ka sa family, of course, I'm gonna focus on my family. But I'm not gonna take YouTube for granted because I love doing this. I love filming videos for you guys. Maybe not as crazy as I am doing it right now, uploading videos every day. Pero as much as possible, hindi ko siya iiwan kasi it's what I love doing. From Arnold Soria, kailan ka po nag-start mag-YouTube? Nag-stop ka po diba? Saan po pwede manood yung mga videos mo before ka po nag-stop? I think nag-start ako ng 2012. Tapos yung mga old videos ko, pinrivate ko na siya guys. So hindi nyo na siya makikita. Siguro I will film a video of me reacting to my old YouTube videos. That way you can see a glimpse of my old video. I don't think ibabalik ko pa siya na public. Sorry! From Enchanted Heart 09 again, ask ko lang po kung nalibot mo na po ba ang buong province mo. Oh, akala ko nalibot mo na yung buong mundo. Hindi ko pa nalibot yung buong province ng Cebu. Oo, marami na akong napuntahan na mga islands sa Cebu. Pero, yeah, imposible sigurong malibot ko yung buong Cebu kasi as you guys can see, hindi naman ako palalabas. Again, from Enchanted Heart 09, do you live alone? No, I don't live alone. I live with my family. From Alyssa Arceo, saan-saan ka na nakapuntang bansa? And can you tell me more kung ano-ano man naging work mo before? Marami na ako napuntahan. Na-mention ko to sa 50 Random Facts About Me tag ko. Sa Asia, nakapunta na ako ng Singapore. That's the first country I've been to. And then Hong Kong, Indonesia, Malaysia. As you guys know, if you've been watching my videos for a while, nagtrabaho ako sa Cayman Islands. It's in Caribbean, tsaka sa US. Tapos nakapunta ako ng Jamaica, Dubai. Yeah, medyo marami na. Yung naging work ko noon, I worked in a call center for almost 2 years. Pagkatapos ng call center, I worked as a virtual personal and executive assistant dun sa kumpanya sa Cayman at saka sa US. And that's all the questions that I got from my vlog. Now, I will go ahead and check my Facebook post. Okay, so hindi ko makita sa phone ko for some reason yung post na yun. Hinide ni Facebook ng bonggang-bongga. So, I will look at my lapi right now. From Marie, Wendy, kapag nagmahal ka pa Miss Rhaze, puso o utak ginagamit mo, paano kung may mahal ka na pero hindi ka priority? Should you stick up to his ish kahit naiintindihan mo siya? At mag-aantay ka na magbago siya or iiwan mo na lang siya kasi naniniwala ka na ang tao nagbabago? Para sa akin, dapat gamitin mo both. Utak at saka yung puso mo. Kasi kung puso na lang lahat, wala na. Mababaliw na tayong lahat, diba guys? Okay, sa situation na to, siguro mas pangibabawin mong gamitin yung utak mo. Kasi alam mo naman na hindi kanya priority. Ikaw na nagsabi niyan. So, para sa akin lang ha, I know it's really hard to do, pero hindi kanya priority. Hindi kanya ganun kamahal. To be honest with you, he doesn't really deserve you. Alam ko, mahirap, pero ang dami pang lalaki dyan na mas magmamahal pa sa'yo ng bongga. Tanggapin na natin, ilang buwan na ba or taon na ba siyang ganyan? Magbabago pa ba talaga siya sa tingin mo? Just go on with your life alone and makakahanap ka ng bonggang-bonggang lalaki para sa'yo. From CJ Alcantara, paano mo naisip or paano ka nag-push mag-vlog? By the way, I love your videos. Thank you so much. Lagi ako nanonood ng YouTube videos, guys. College pa lang ako, nag-start na ako manood ng YouTube videos. So, sinasabi ko sa sarili ko, I can do that. From Polina Dakoda, what is your special or weirdest talent? I can raise my right eyebrow, no problem. But I don't think that's a special talent. Maybe weird. Pero I know a lot of people naman na can do that. Pero yeah, I don't know. From Andrea Perez, kung papipiliin ka po a month without sweets or a week without internet, this is really easy for me. I will choose a month without sweets. I'm not really into sweets, you guys. And I cannot live without internet. I just can't. From Emma Luz Olazo Cuevas, I'm just curious, how do you manage all your expenses buying stuff and going on trips since di ka nag-work few months na? Is it from your savings after mo mag-work abroad or from doing YouTube videos? Or do you still ask money from your parents? And also, who is your inspiration in life? Okay, I do not ask money from my parents anymore. Nung nakuha ko yung pinakaunang sweldo ko sa call center, guys, never na ako nag-ask ng pera sa kanila. Meron akong savings, yes. I can't tell you the details of how I manage it. I think for me, that's very private. Pero I assure you, lahat ng pera na ginagasta ko for myself or for my family is mine. And hindi ako kumikita sa YouTube, you guys. Yes, meron, konti, sobrang konti lang, hindi siya nakakabayad ng internet ko daw. From Patricia Abad, ano pong grado ng mata nyo? 175 sa left, 125 sa right. Yun. From PJ Honey, I'm I'm so in love sa Cupid's bow mo, and I know it's kinda weird. Every time I watch your videos, I always stare at your lips. Your Cupid's bow in particular. My question is, saan mo nakuha yun? Sa father mo or sa mother mo? Shoot, I need to check the picture of my dad as well as my mom because I honestly do not know, you guys. Pero thank you though. Thank you so much. Okay, so I just checked a picture and kay Papa ko siya nakuha. Ang ganda pala ng Cupid's bow ni Papa. Ngayon ko lang alam. Thanks for that question. Yan, alam ko na. From Desky Tots, hindi ka po ba nanghihinayang sa course na natapos mo? To be honest with you, no. Hindi ako nanghinayang sa course na natapos ko at all. Kahit na hindi ako nag-nurse, I still can say na I was very successful sa field na pinili ko the past few years. Para sa akin, dapat maging lesson sa buhay yan na just because you graduated nursing doesn't mean you have to work or you need to work as a nurse. Parang you still have a choice and I chose to choose what I chose. Kung nag-nurse ako, hindi ako makakatravel kung saan ako nakapunta. Diba? From Nika Rose Subalise di Pangandam, normal lang po ba yung pag naglalagay ng foundation sa mukha ay parang kumukulubot? Ganun po kasi yung akin. It's not normal. Try using your fingers if it doesn't work. Try using a brush. If the specific brush doesn't work, try using a different brush. From Arlene Joy Santos Flores, how are you po? Love you and ingat po sa trip mo sa Thailand. Magva-vlog po ba kayo doon? Thank you so much for asking. I am great. I will do my best to vlog. From Kishi Bonifacio, anong tips mo for new YouTuber like me? Just be consistent. I'm not saying you need to upload every day though. Pag sinabi mo na you will upload every week, make sure na you will have videos up every week kasi yun yung babalikan ng viewers mo, diba? And believe me, kung gusto mo talaga yung ginagawa mo, I'm pretty sure it will show and makikita talaga ng viewers yan. So, bongga yan. Camelia Dumas, what's your favorite position pag natutulog? Favorite sleepwear? Did you ever had a nightmare? Do you sleepwalk or snore? I do not sleepwalk nor snore. My favorite position sa pagtulog is nakatagilid tapos nakahag sa pillow. Favorite sleepwear? Kung ano lang yung suot ko that day, kapag hindi ako lumabas at kung ano yung suot ko that day, yan lang yung pantulog ko. Walang etchos. That's real life. I did a story time video, yung horror story ko. That was my worst nightmare, so I will leave the link below for you to check it out. From Melrose Javier, kailan po kayo aalis at babalik? Vacation po ba yun? Ikaw lang po ba yung pupunta? Hindi po ba kasama yung family mo? Hindi ko kasama yung family ko. From John Reyes, ano sa Tagalog ang toothpaste? I seriously do not know. Ano nga ba ang Tagalog ng toothpaste, guys? From Rowena Ramirez, anong height mo, Rhaze? My goodness, 4'10". From Ruth Maboslang, travel tips, and unsa imo prefer na luggage, hard or tong dili hard? Og asa sa Thailand ka magsuroy-suroy? Travel tips, know where you're going, pack light. I know that it's hard. Do a lot of research about the place that you're going to, especially if ibang bansa siya. Kung carry-on lang, prefer ko yung hard na luggage, pero yung malakihang luggage, prefer ko yung hindi hard. Ano ba yan? Basta, if you are checking in your luggage, I prefer na hindi siya hard. Tinatapon-tapon lang yan ng mga staff. Nagde-dent na siya ng bonggang-bongga kasi they don't take care of your luggage. From Nicole Chloe Claire, ano pong study tips na maibibigay nyo? I am not the most studious student when I was in college nor nung high school ako. Nung high school ako, bihira lang talaga ako mag-aral, you guys. Pero nung college ako, I did study because I needed to. Yung best advice ko lang na maibibigay sa inyo is kung pagod na kayo, matulog kayo. I'm not saying na sa lahat ng tao ganito, pero sa akin lang ha, hindi pumapasok sa utak ko yung pinag-aaralan ko kung sobrang pagod na ako. So kahit na hindi ko pa natapos yung readings ko, hindi ko pa natapos yung pag-aaralan ko pa, kung antok na ako, matutulog ako. I need to have my sleep. Hindi ako yung best na tao na dapat hinga ng study tips kasi again, I'm not the best at it. From Kyla Renee, how did you tell your family about the whole YouTube thing? Kasi diba, you vlog and stuff. How did you open up to them about you doing YouTube? I didn't tell them that I was filming and you know, doing all this. Nung nagfi-film nga ako noon, as in sobrang nasa kwarto lang ako and mahina yung boses ko kasi ayoko makarinig sila. And until now, hindi ako nagfi-film na may tao sa ibang kwarto. Hindi ako nagfi-film kung alam kong may tao dito sa area na to. Pinakaunang nakaalam is yung isang kapatid ko because I was using the personal computer then. And then, nung nag-browse siya ng YouTube, nakita niya yung video ko, sabi niya, ikaw to? Kasi hindi ko na-log out yung account ko. Sabi ko, yes. I've told my mom about it, but I'm pretty sure hindi niya gets yung YouTube. So, yeah. And my dad doesn't have any idea about what I'm doing. My sister have watched my video, I think. My brother and his girlfriend watches my video, I think. My brother Mark watches my video as well. So, Sometimes, not like all my videos, but yeah. I didn't have to explain to them. They just saw my video and they were like, oh, you're doing that. Cool. From Lu, yeah, ayun, naku-curious din ako kung saan ka kumukuha ng panggastos mo since wala ka ng trabaho. Sobrang laki ba ng sinasahod mo noon kaya marami kang savings? Paano ka gumastos ng kinikita mo? Thanks. Again, I can't tell you the specifics of how I spend my money. I'm not gonna disclose kung magkano yung sahod ko noong nasa abroad pa ako. Nung nasa abroad kasi ako guys, hindi ako gumagastos at all kasi nga super kuripot ko and halos lahat ng nakikita kong binibenta abroad, feeling ko sobrang mahal. Lagi ko siyang kino-compare sa Pilipinas. Nung nasa abroad ako, I think I got 3 lipsticks for a year na wala ako dito sa Pilipinas. Basta hindi ako bonggang-bonggang gumastos nung nandun ako. Yun din naman talaga yung target ko na magtrabaho ako abroad para makasave ako ng bongga para meron akong pera, diba? Hindi naman ako nag-abroad, gumasta, tsaka kapag wala na akong trabaho, wala na rin, diba? Kasi plinano ko na to magtatrabaho ako ng bonggang-bongga, I will save ng bonggang-bongga, and then I will take a rest because guys, I've been working since gumraduate ako, hindi na ako huminto sa pagtatrabaho ngayon lang. From Rodeline Abelia, what specific location are you in Cebu? Baka kapitbahay lang tayo, di ko alam, may sikat pala kami kapitbahay bongga. My city is Toledo City, pero wala ako sa main Toledo City. From Angeline Abalos, aside from Tagalog and English, what other languages can you speak? Bisaya, yun lang, tatlo lang. Shana Espino, most embarrassing moment or experience? I have a lot, pero yung naaalala ko as of now is yung nasa office ako and it was kick-off namin. Yung kick-off is lahat ng employee, hindi naman lahat, pero most of the employees sa company from all over the world magsasalo-salo. So doon kami sa main office namin which is in the US. And it was lunchtime and mas marami yung tao that time kasi nga kick-off. So kailangan namin kumuha ng maraming chairs, ilagay sa table kasi nga 'di ba magkasabay halos lahat kumain. And I'm so stupid. Yung offices namin guys is glass lang siya. So I was wearing my glasses and then kasi nga 'di ba malabo yung mata ko. Tapos papasok na sana ako sa office, hindi ko alam close pala yung door. So yun, gumanon ako. Lumagapak yung ulo ko sa door ng bonggang-bongga, narinig nila lahat because I was in a hurry. I was getting a chair. Nakakahiya. From Hannah Esor, reason po kung bakit kayo nag-break ng ex mo. How's the new guy? What's your bucket list? I already did a storytime video about my ex. So I will leave the link below. How's the new guy? We are great actually. What's in my bucket list? Marami actually. Way too many to mention. That's basically it for this video. Thank you so much sa lahat ng nag-submit ng mga questions nila. I know it is going to be a long video. I hope nandito pa rin kayo. Nandito pa rin ba kayo? Nakakaloka. Anyway, thank you so much guys for watching. I am doing my best to upload videos every single day for you guys. I hope to see you in my next video. Do not forget, be good, bye!